Welcome back to my kitchen. Today we are making a warm, delicious, and hearty, comforting meal that is perfect for this time of year, just as the weather starts to cool down. Skillet chili is what's on the menu for dinner tonight, so let's go ahead and get started. To begin, we're going to add a large cast iron skillet with really deep sides to the stove and add in 1 pound of hamburger chuck along with 1 small onion that has been finely chopped. Turn it on medium heat, and we're going to cook this until the hamburger meat is completely cooked for about 10 minutes. About halfway through, I like to use this little meat chopper just to continue to break up the hamburger meat really finely. But after it's completely cooked, drain off the grease, and then we're going to continue with the rest of the recipe. Next, we're going to add 1 package of McCormick's chili seasoning, 1 can of tomato sauce, 1 can of chili beans, 1 can of Rotel chilies, and then using one of those 15-ounce cans of tomato sauce or chili beans, you're going to fill it all the way full with water twice and add it to the pot. Gently stir and mix it all together, and then we're going to let this cook and simmer over medium heat for about 20 minutes. After about the 20-minute mark, we're going to add 2 tablespoons of brown sugar and stir, and this is just going to give this chili a nice hint of sweetness. When the sauce and the liquid starts to thicken a little bit, then the chili is ready. We're going to pull this off the heat, turn it on low, whatever you need. It's a very quick and easy chili recipe with more filling and less soup. This is exactly how my husband likes it, so Ruth Skillet chili is going to be perfect for dinner tonight, and he's going to love it. Enjoy this with all the usual chili fixings: oyster crackers, saltines, cheddar cheese, sour creams, all the fixings, whatever you like. Go ahead, load it on up, and this is going to be the perfect dinner for this time of year. For the full recipe, head on over to KentuckyLiving.com. You can find everything that you need there, plus so many other recipes that I know you will love. Thank you so much for joining me in my kitchen today, and until next time, I'll talk to y'all very soon.